Welcome to this step-by-step guide to TSB Bank interest rates. Understanding interest rates is crucial for managing your finances effectively. In this guide, we will walk you through the process of finding and comparing TSB Bank interest rates. Firstly, it is essential to know what interest rates are. Interest rates are the percentage at which interest is paid on a loan or deposit. TSB Bank offers various types of accounts with different interest rates, including savings accounts, current accounts, and loans. To find the interest rates for TSB Bank, start by visiting the TSB Bank website. On the website, navigate to the section that deals with the type of account you are interested in. For example, if you are looking for a savings account, click on the Savings section. Once you are in the relevant section, look for the interest rate information. TSB Bank usually displays the interest rate as a percentage and also provides information on how the interest is calculated and paid. It is crucial to read and understand the terms and conditions of the account, including any interest rate conditions. It is also important to compare the interest rates of different accounts to find the one that best suits your needs. TSB Bank offers various accounts with different interest rates, so it is essential to shop around and compare the rates before making a decision. In addition to the interest rate, consider other factors such as the account fees, minimum balance requirements, and any bonus interest rates that may be available. By considering these factors, you can make an informed decision and choose the account that best meets your financial needs. As a best practice, it is recommended to check the TSB Bank website regularly for any changes to the interest rates. Interest rates can change over time, so it is essential to stay up to date with the current rates. In conclusion, finding and comparing TSB Bank interest rates is a straightforward process. By following these steps and considering the key factors, you can make an informed decision and choose the account that best meets your financial needs. Remember to always read the terms and conditions carefully and check the website regularly for any changes to the interest rates.